What's up, 2 Fly fam? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new and want to be a part of the family, like this video, subscribe, and show the channel some love. Part of heard of me as B, 2 Fly B, Flyman B is all me. Alright, so as y'all see by the title, I got a pair of Uggs for y'all. Now if y'all see my fall and winter pickups vlog, y'all know about this shoe already. But I'm finna do a quick unboxing and review for y'all. Alright, so it opens up like this. Packaging says Uggs as well. Alright, take the shoes out. Okay, so as y'all probably know, a regular Tasman, it's just, this is the Tasman's X. What makes it an X is the durability. So as y'all see, it's not like the cloth, like the regular Ugg Tasman. So it's good for winter conditions, rain conditions, you know, anything of that sort. It's also good, they say it go down to negative 20 degrees too. Also comes with a sock with it. This is the bottom of the sock. And then the inside, it just says, Uggs. Can y'all see that? Yeah, y'all can see that, and it's real fluffy and fuzzy. It's real soft. So if you want to wear with the sock, you can. It comes with socks. And if you don't, this is how it looks without the sock. Now, like I said, it's just, I bought this shoe. It's good for like, you got quick run outside or something. You don't feel like putting gym shoes on, but it's cold. You can't put slides on because of the weather. And it's the inside. That's what it says on the inside. So I recommend the shoe. I think it's good for what I got it for. We got this for the fall and winter. If I just need to like run outside to the car real quick or just run and do something real quick, but I don't want to put on no gym shoes or boots, tie up some boots, and it's too cold for slides, boom, slip on. Bought these just to slip on. And this is how it look with the sock and without the sock. So it's good, man. This is a really nice shoe. Like I say, price wise, I don't know, anywhere between $80 to $110 because I don't remember. But if you want like these, look them up and you'll find them. That's it with this review. It wasn't a long review because there's not much to say about the shoe. It's made, it feel like rubber, but it's made out of durable material. I'm finna get into the on feed now. Hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Make sure to follow me on TikTok and Instagram at 2FlyB. Snapchat Flyman B. And I'm gonna get y'all next video. Take care of yourself. I'm going.